Happy Halloween, friends! Welcome to my channel Artista Ruchi and thank you so much for joining me today. I have been away from YouTube for a while, but now I'm back and glad to be part of the second crossover Halloween collaboration organized by an amazing coordinator, Donna. Those who have worked with her already know this, how wonderfully she keeps us connected and prepares us well before the event, so that everything goes well and as planned. Thank you, Donna, for everything you do. And I would also like to thank you, Janja, for directing the link to my channel. JB Pour Art Janja Bremek hosted her premiere just before this, and her video was just amazing. Friends, I request you to visit everyone's channel, link is in the description box below. Everyone has done an amazing work. Now tell me, do you believe in ghosts? Have you seen or experienced anything ever? Today, I'm going to share my experience with you all. I woke up with a scream at midnight in a hotel room. Felt someone was tickling me. Heard a knocking at the door while I was half asleep. Generally, we should not open the door, but don't know what happened to me that night that I opened it, and to my surprise, there was no one outside. I closed the door and tried to sleep. Just when I felt asleep, I heard the knocking again. I was so scared this time that I peeped through the keyhole and found no one outside. I had to stay in that room for 3-4 days, and I noticed that whenever I wanted to sleep, I was experiencing something strange, and this was happening even during the daytime. One afternoon, while I was asleep, the TV was switched on. And to tell you friends, it was not that I accidentally pressed on the start button. The remote was neither in my hand nor by my side. Same happened with the AC. It scared me so much that I decided to change my room. And to tell you friends that after changing the room, I had a lovely and peaceful day and night. What I have been watching in movies have experienced myself. I believe that was a naughty spirit. Sometimes tickling, sometimes knocking, sometimes playing with remotes and never letting me sleep till the time I was in that room. This was my experience. If you have any such experiences, please do share in the comment box below. Waiting for your stories. Boo! Happy Halloween!
Perfect.
Collaborators, and thank you so much my dear friends for watching this video. For more such videos, please do subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Right after this, Acrylic Kreations by Tweety is hosting her premiere. I request you all to join us in this collaboration and have fun. Wishing you happy Halloween and see you soon on my next video.